In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Fresha voucher. Whether you're new to Fresha or an existing user, learning how to redeem a voucher can make your experience even more enjoyable and cost-effective. Let's dive in step by step to ensure you can make the most of your Fresha voucher. First things first, head over to the Fresha platform designed for business purposes. This is your entry point into accessing a wide range of features and functionalities that Fresha offers, tailored specifically for business needs. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that. It's important to log in to access personalized features, including voucher redemption. After clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to proceed. Since Fresha caters to both clients and professionals, make sure you select Fresha for Professionals. This ensures you're navigating the platform with the correct user privileges and access. Moving on, Fresha offers the convenience of logging in using your Google account. Therefore, the next step involves clicking on Continue with Google. This feature not only simplifies the login process, but also adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you've decided to continue with Google, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one associated with your Fresha account. This seamless integration allows for a quicker login and ensures all your Fresha activities are synced with your chosen Google account. Now, with the login process out of the way, it's time to navigate to your calendar on Fresha. The calendar is where all the magic happens. It's where you can manage appointments, schedule new ones, and of course, redeem vouchers. Click on the link provided to go directly to your calendar. In your calendar, you'll need to find the specific appointment for which you want to use the voucher. This could be any upcoming service that you've booked or want to book. Once you've found the right appointment, click on it. This action will bring up more details about the appointment, and from here you can proceed to the next steps. With your appointment details open, look for the checkout option. Clicking on checkout will take you to a screen where you can review the service and apply payments or discounts, including your voucher. This is an essential step in ensuring that your voucher is correctly applied to your appointment. Next, you'll see a button that says Continue to Payment. Click on it to move forward with the redemption process. This will take you to the payment methods screen, where you can select how you'd like to settle any remaining balances after applying your voucher. On the payment methods screen, you'll need to select the gift card option. This is where your Fresha voucher comes into play. By selecting this option, you're essentially indicating that you wish to use a voucher as a payment method. After selecting the gift card option, you'll be prompted to enter your voucher code. This is a crucial step. Make sure to input your code accurately. The voucher code is the key to unlocking your discount or free service, so treat it with care. The final step in redeeming your Fresha voucher involves clicking on the Find button after you've entered your code. This action will launch a search to verify the validity of your voucher and apply its value to your appointment. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of using a Fresha voucher. It's a straightforward process, but paying attention to detail at each step ensures a smooth redemption experience. Remember, vouchers can provide fantastic savings or special offers, making them a valuable component of your Fresha experience. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident about using your Fresha voucher in the future. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.